Members elect for the River State House of Assembly.
My nominee, a well-grounded legislator for the position of Speaker of the River State House of Assembly, a distinguished service staff of River State President, a devout Christian, a communicant in the Anglican Communion, and an accomplished legislator par excellence, Honorable Ameule Martin Chike, DSSRS. I so nominate.
Hereby elected into the office of the Speaker. May I invite him?
Honorable Barrister Tumle Mao, revered personality, the man who has served our states, the private sector and the public sector. A very, very, very exceptional person. I nominate him for the office of the Deputy Speaker, the 10th Assembly of River State.
Abstention. Nay. By this result, Honorable Mau Dumle, Gogana State Constituency, is hereby elected into the office of Deputy Speaker.
Ameule Martin Chike, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. I, Ameule Martin Chike, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as a member of the River State House of Assembly, I will perform my functions honestly to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and the rules of the River State House of Assembly, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th Schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I, Honorable Tumle Mao, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Deputy Speaker of the River State House of Assembly, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives, directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interests to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will do the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I will end it, and we stand the oath of I will perform my functions honestly to the best of my ability,
and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and the rules of the Rivers State House of Assembly, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve fundamental objectives and directing principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
My dear colleagues, let me also proceed to say thanks to His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Sir SYMFONI, the Grand Service Star of Rivers State, coming to the Hallowed Chamber today, claim the 10th Assembly of Rivers State. What he has done today is not only historic, but it is one that is intended to usher in another era of good governance for the good people of Rivers State. My dear colleagues, I will not proceed without also acknowledging efforts of the immediate past administration states led by His Excellency WIKELEAKS, Commander of the Order of the Niger, the Grand Service Star of Rivers State Life Venture, for what he did for all of us, and for what he continues to do for Rivers State. Continue to remember all his efforts, and it is our prayer that Almighty God strengthen him, his family, and make him from strength to strength. Let me, in the same vein, and very specially, thank all honorable members for the opportunity for me to sit here as your speaker. Of course, you would have said no, you are not going to vote for me. You may have voted for someone else, but unanimously you rose to the occasion and elected me your speaker. Knowing today that I will be a speaker that will be there for all. My duty is not here to divide the house. My duty is here to unify this assembly and ensure that all we are going to do will be in the interest of Rivers State. Just like we have just done by taking our oath of allegiance and our oath of membership, we will ensure that we live by the oath we have taken today. Know that I, Honorable Martin Chiki, by the special grace of God, will not only be your speaker, but I will be a friend to all of you, representing the various constituencies of our dear states. My dear colleagues, frankly, this speech was written out. Seated here, I've gone through this speech, and I said to myself that I'm not going to read this speech, and I'm going to speak from the bottom of my heart, knowing fully well that that is what's best for our dear state. This is the 10th Assembly of Rivers State, and it's a time for us to rely on the legacies of the past administration and ensure that we do better things in the years to come. The whole lot is required of us. Rivers people want the dividends of democracy that we witnessed in the last administration to continue, and for even more to come to our various communities, various constituencies, from Abodua to Uyibu, from Obiabo to Port Harcourt City, from Eche to Ahoda, from Asareto to Boni, from Andoni to Bolo, constituency by constituency. We will have to relieve the trust from our people. I want to say that the task ahead of us is enormous, but I know that with God on our side, we will accomplish all of them. People will be better off at the end of the day. I want to say huge thanks to the staff of the Rivers State House of Assembly and the civil servants who have put all of this together. I know that you're committed to the service of the state, and I want to call on all of you to do even better, because we're determined in our task of assisting His Excellency the Governor of the State towards ensuring that the dividends of democracy to our people get to them and on time. Our people are in haste to continue to enjoy what they've been enjoying in the last 8 years. And I'm very confident that with all of us working together, with the current governor of our state, a whole lot can be achieved. I listened to His Excellency the Governor. He spoke with one who is so sincere, one who is committed to Rivers State. And that is why we must work as a team. We must not allow our individual differences to divide this house or to stand as an impediment towards the actualization of the dreams that I believe all of us can set in the coming weeks. The vision of the current administration will be sustained. We know that the consolidation of all the gains of the past will be sustained and improved upon. I want to say that in the coming weeks, we will sit as an assembly, talk to ourselves, and come up with a proper legislative agenda for the next 4 years. My belief is that at the end of the day, what we'll come up with will be good enough for their states. I thank all those who have done one thing or the other, including our constituents, all through the period of the electioneering campaigns, and of course the elections proper. They have posed this confidence in us. By the grace of God, we will not betray this confidence. We will ensure that they are happy after all. I want to say to all those that were in the 9th Assembly, beginning with the former speaker who is seated here, and all other former speakers and deputy speakers, other former members who have come here to witness this historic moment. What you have come to see is not only sustenance of the good deeds of the past, but you have come to meet people who are determined, have had the opportunity of interacting with honorable members individually. At least the new members, within the short time we have met, I see so much zeal, so much enthusiasm, the commitment that they have to our dear state. I want to assure our former members that we will not disappoint them, because I know that all of you are looking up to us to do better than you have done. And I believe that with God on our side, all that can be achieved. Today we will not say all that there is to say, but what we are doing is to lay the foundation for what is to come, for a new 10th Assembly that Rivers State will be proud of. Once again, I thank all of you. Those who, for one reason or the other, had some expectations or the other, know that tomorrow is greater. A whole lot can happen in the future. I'm speaker today. I wasn't speaker yesterday. This is my 4th term, and in the last 3 times I wasn't speaker. But today I'm speaker. It's the grace of God, and by your benevolence, I call on you to give me your support. And I believe that I will have it for the interest of Rivers State. Once again, I thank you all. God bless all of you. Bless Rivers State. And our dear wives who are seated, our spouses who have come to witness today, I thank all of you. My dear wife is seated, Dr. Elifa Lefibi, she has been a great support to me. Thank you so much for your wife, my family. Of course, I know that honorable members who are here with the spouses also have the same support that I had. I commend all our wives and our spouses for showing up today. Please don't leave us. We need your advice. And I believe that we're good enough for our dear state. Thank you. God Almighty keep you, lead you to various destinations as we leave this house chamber. In Jesus' name. Mr. Clark.
June 2023, I so move.
Rise to second the motion as moved by the Deputy Speaker. I so second.